We do know the clouds are out and has dramatically dropped temperatures. Earlier today, we were pretty much into the upper 70s, low 80s in many locations close to the coast. And now we're only looking at 6. Talking about showers, though, there's some very strong storms. And right now, moving throughout Iowa, tornado watch is up for them until about midnight. A closer look at what we're dealing with, though, we're already noticing a lot of that rain moving throughout. But your kite's pretty much rainproof because we're dealing with a lot of the shower activity coming on down. And we're not moving out over toward Chula Vista. When I take a broader look, though, watch what's still happening out over toward the Pacific. We still have all of this that's going to continue to train into the region, the country, because we're not the only ones dealing with the rainfall. Also heading out toward Minneapolis, they're under a flooded watch where they could actually see 2 to 5 inches of rainfall. And let's not forget the reason for our moisture. A lot like you're on vacation, maybe in Cancun or in Florida. It was super muggy, super hot, and with that, we're leading to still just a few showers. Right now, the activity, though, really concentrated out over toward the saw a little bit of rain, and we are going to see those temperatures starting to cool. We have a big change mile-per-hour gusts. Once we head through about Friday, these wind speeds, while they are forecast to die down, still staying on the breezy side, calling it about 10 to 15 mile-per-hour winds for the coast and inland community. Are going to warm, and it is all because of the wind. They are shifting direction in their dew point. Isn't it comfortable now? We no longer have that sticky air mass in place. It is drier. It's going to stay dry. In fact, we're still watching to see if the National Weather Service will go ahead and issue. Today, it does look like they are going to start to cool down, all thanks to a little bit of rain that's going to move through our area. Right now, taking a out into La Mesa, also dealing with those overcast conditions, trying to cool you off a little bit. 86 degrees currently, noticing your winds at about 7 miles per hour. But yet again, the humidity at clouds is leading to a 10% chance of rainfall for tomorrow. Most of that happening out toward the mountain communities. However, we will continue to watch our temperatures cool down even when we're done with that to kick on out of here. And in its place, we're waiting for this trough. It's getting a little bit closer each day, and as it does so, it's going to increase our onshore flow. Remember, that means winds coming in of this trough right into our area. That's when we see our temperatures below the norm, which comes our way by Sunday. We're talking about 5 to 10 degrees below average, and it stays the view of them. When you look out towards San Diego, noticing a few of the cloud coverage, but temperatures here about 82 degrees, noticing our winds only 9 miles per hour. We should all begin to see that breeze. Flash flood watch is up for them until they get to around 10 p.m. We have a flood advisory out for our mountain communities with some of that rain moving throughout the region until 6 o'clock tonight. Heading into the storm system, it doesn't look like it's going to last long, though. Here's the bad news. Very warm temperatures, like the 80s at the coast, return for us at the end of next work week.